Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear RAM on Android. First of all, open Google Play Store and type in RamCalc and you will find this application from JCOSA app. Simply click on install button to install the application. Once installed, click on open, select allow, select OK. Click on I understand and this is the application interface. Now simply select on tap to set up and it will show you this Superman animation. As you can see, it will show me some stats, how much RAM is used and how much is free. If I click on this bar, it will clear my RAM. If you click on this hand icon, it will show you some options like mild, standard, strong. If I bump it up to the maximum, so I will simply click on this icon and the animation of Superman starts. As you can see, some of the applications running on the background are using my RAM once again. If you click on the gear icon, you have some other options that you can also explore, and that's simply how you can clear RAM on Android. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.